Hey folks, as promised, this is just a little tutorial telling you how to listen to local files within Spotify. This is useful if you've perhaps purchased music from Bandcamp or you have some of your own files that you just want to play within the Spotify interface. Yeah, it's a very useful way because I know that some people have struggled listening to my music because it's just on Bandcamp. Like, I know it's a bit of a faff to switch between platforms. So this is a nice way to support artists and also listen to it very easily, because this is a very easy process. So the first thing you need to do is somewhere on your computer have a file of the music that you want, and then come into your Spotify and go to your account and down to settings. This will take you here where you come down to a little bit that says local files. You're going to tick show local files and show songs from. Now there's options for downloads and My Music. This will import anything within the My Music folder. That's quite a lot of stuff that I don't necessarily want clogging up my downloaded songs. So you add source and you go to, I've set up, I'm going to do this just by one by artists, by any artists I want. So I have a folder just for these purposes. I have a Lew-C folder with all of my stuff in it, and this will be available to anyone on my Patreon. But yeah, I mean, I've already localized this, so I don't need to open it. But whatever folder you want, you select, and then it shall import all MP3 or M4A files from that folder. Unfortunately, it doesn't work with WAVs, so it does have to be a smaller file type, but it's easy to convert those. And once you've done this step, the music should appear in your library under local files. Excellent. Here it all is, which is great. And now the only other step is if you want to be able to see these on your phone, which to me was kind of the main reason why I wanted to do this, because I can obviously listen to the files that I have saved on my desktop when I'm on my desktop anyway. Create a playlist and just import all of those tracks from the local files into this playlist. And then when you go onto your phone, you should be able to go up to the same settings bit in your account and enable local file sharing. It won't come up with any options, but as long as your desktop and your phone are on the same Wi-Fi, when you look at that playlist within your account and click download, it will download all of the tracks that are in the playlist on the desktop version, and you should be able to listen to music that you've imported wherever you go. So yeah, I hope this was helpful. I hope it provides some alternative ways where if the majority of the music that you listen to is still on Spotify, but you do want to support some smaller artists or artists that you're particularly interested in, but don't want to have to like shift between apps when you're on the go all the time, it can be a bit of a faff. I understand that. This is an easy way around it, and if you just take like 5 minutes out once, I don't know, however often you update your music, once a month, once a week, just coming in and doing this little process, you can make up a bunch of personalized downloaded playlists. Anyway, hope that was helpful, and yeah, see you soon.